Looking for a dependable and affordable dumpster rental in Cincinnati, Ohio? Your search ends here. When it comes to reliable and affordable dumpster rental services, one name stands out: Silverback Haulers. At Silverback Haulers, we're here to meet your every waste disposal need. We're proud to serve the greater Cincinnati area. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes, from small to large, to accommodate any project. Whether it's a home renovation, construction, or spring cleaning, we have the perfect dumpster for you. Getting the right dumpster for your project is easy. We deliver right to your doorstep so you can focus on what matters most. We understand that affordability matters. Our competitive prices and flexible rental terms make Silverback Haulers the smart choice for your budget. We're not just a company, we're your neighbors. Silverback Haulers is locally owned and operated, and we're proud to support our community. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers can attest to our exceptional service. When you need a dumpster rental in Cincinnati, Ohio, trust the experts at Silverback Haulers. Call us today at 513-833-7144 or visit our website at www.silverbackhaulers.com to book your dumpster and experience hassle-free waste disposal. Silverback Haulers, your go-to choice for dumpster rental in Cincinnati. We're here to make your project a breeze.